Alrighty, what's good? So it's September 25th, beginning of the week. It's Monday, and good start to the week. Up 113 on the day. So got a nice win actually. Very proud of this trade. So yeah, obviously only one trade today, and it was a win. So let me pull up SPY, and I took the trade. What is it? It's like right here. About ish. So it looked good. Let me pull up the video. Alrighty, so see, this is the 5-minute chart right here, and we just broke out of this selling channel right here as well. Yeah, so we broke out of this one, so it looked good that we were pushing up. And also, actually, let me show you this on SPY as well. So when I was watching this in the morning, there was this resistance about right here. So I noticed, I was watching it as well on Bookmap, there's a lot of liquidity right up here at this level. So it hit this level and just rejected off of it. And so we pushed up a little later, pushed through it. And so I was kind of looking at it for some support if it were to hit it. So yeah, obviously I entered in before, or I guess a little right after we pushed through it. So I was looking to see if we could push past it, and I was waiting for the pullback, and you can see right here I kind of just barely tapped the EMA. I wish I would have gotten in right there, or I was trying to, but it just happened very quick. You just like barely tapped it, so I didn't get in right there because you saw like as soon as it tapped, it just went back up. So I would have liked to. I like to get in right on the EMA, so I have a good stop loss. But I was kind of stressing just because I thought I missed my entry, just because it barely tapped the EMA and then went back up. So I was stressing. I was kind of like just like screaming at my computer. I was like low-key like screaming just because like I thought I missed it. But it ended up coming down and then coming back up, and then I actually got a good entry on it, like almost right on the EMA, so that's good. And so you can't really see right here, so I'll pull it up on NinjaTrader real quick. So you can see this was early in the morning. This is where that kind of resistance was. So this is at 43.65, and so I had my entry at 43.66.50. So my stop loss was at 43.64.50, which would have been a half a point below this resistance. So I was kind of using that resistance as a stop. Whoops. So I had my stop under that kind of now support. And so pull this video back up. So I had a good entry, and right on the EMA, looked good. Thing was, we did make a lower high right here, so that actually didn't look good. We went below my entry points, not a lot, but then I did a trend line just to see if like we would break it, and then we actually did end up breaking it with a really big candle. So I mean, once we broke out of this kind of trend line, that's when I was more confident, and we just had this big candle, and I actually decided not to leave any runners for this one, just because I just want to get to 6 points and just get out of the trade, because 6 points is a good like profit target. So if I get 6 points, like I'm good with that.
Right there. Come on.
So ended up reaching my 6 points, went a little bit more above, but not too much. Like as you can see on NinjaTrader, like went up a little more, but then just came down right after that. So I'm glad I took all my contracts off at 6 points, because every time I've been leaving a runner, I've been just kind of stopping myself out a little later and getting less than the 6 points. So I have about a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward, which isn't bad. So I mean, it's like without fees, it's 1 to 3 risk reward, but like with fees for right now, since I'm trading with such a small size, it's like 1 to 2.5 risk reward. So I mean, it did end up going up a little later, but it's whatever. I got my 6 points, so up 113 on the day. Not bad. Slowly, I shouldn't really say it like that, but we're down 80 on the account now, so better than down like 200. So see how this week goes. It's the start. It's a good start to the week, so I'm gonna say that. So yeah.